So, friends, welcome back. So, we are here on the 31st characteristic of successful people. So, that is the successful people reach up in relationship. So, quite often you will see the successful people, they will be saying that whatever they are or whatever level they have reached just because of the like minded people they are meeting and they are interacting with. So, successful people, they will like to be surrounded with the brighter people, smarter people, and creative people. And on the other hand, if you see the unsuccessful people, the people who are having the mindset of unsuccessful people, what they will do, they will also group or they will also spend time with the like minded people, but these people will bring them down. They will bring almost nothing on the table. In return, I mean, entire group, including that person, will become unsuccessful. So what will happen? I mean, successful people, they are meeting with the more creative, better people, better in terms of yes, creativity. What they will do, they with that people, the successful people, the person with that mentality, he will learn something new, and this shows that they love the changes. They love the challenges, and they like the new things. So basically, the unsuccessful people, the type of group or type of relationship they will form, that relationship will bring them down or in the sideward direction. So they will lose the focus of the target. But successful people, the type of company they will make, that will bring them in the upward direction, and they will move in the forward direction. So this is how, this is the one of the characteristic of successful people. I will come with the another characteristic in my next video. Till then, bye and see you. Thank you.